desert temples. It's what you'll always find in desert biomes. But they are a little irritating as they have TNT in them. Yeah, me too, I also hate them. So today I'm going to do a go through of how to get past that. So just one question I have is like, why for the spooky mansion in the seeds in bedrock chose spooky mansion instead of a woodland mansion? That's weird. Okay. So I spawned in this biome. Oh, I forgot to put in the seed. No. Wait, I did put in the seed, did I? Yeah, I think I did. So, yeah, maybe there should be a desert somewhere there. I think this is messed up seed generating. Yeah, commands don't work. What? Is that a ruined nether portal? Let's see what it got. Oh, what? Why am I picking my map again? Oh my gosh. This is some great stuff. Like this is... Oh wait, I forgot to pick up the nuggets. I'll just pick up the nuggets. So, actually I attempted to ride a horse, but I just couldn't. But it still was the same speed as creative mode. What? Look closer. It's a village with a desert temple. If you didn't see it, go back. So I'll just take a snowball and an ender pearl to get me quicker. But I still got this, even with the testing out where it'll get me in. Okay, so we'll just go. Oh, this is nice. This actually looks like a cool village. This village is cool actually. It's nice actually. And what's that thing? Is it like a shop thing or something? What's it? Wow, wait, what are these? Is this a messed up house or something? So, okay, this is a nice table. I think this is a good seed actually. This should be a great seed. I'll keep the seed in the comments below if you want to know it. So, let's get just right into it. So, first, mark the coordinates of the top hole. Mark the coordinates. In mine is 646, negative 646, negative 182, and you don't need a height. Height you can't really figure that out. So we'll go up. I don't think I should be doing it in the front. You can do it in the front if there's no water in front. But in mine, there's some water in front. Somewhere from dyed water, some like yellowish water, like salt water. I think that's saline water. That's some saline water. So go to these. So just go to the same left or right coordinates. I think I should I'll go to the same left or right coordinates. So first I'll just dig down deep enough. This should be deep enough. So we'll dig to the coordinates 646 in my case. So we'll go to negative 646. We're at 40 now. So just 3 more. Yeah, right about here. Now we'll just place an end rod. I don't want to waste time, so I'll just keep what's there. Or else I would have taken a thought. So dig up. If I went too low, so dig up. So don't actually break that. There are some consequences for breaking that. There are consequences. There are severe consequences if you break. Sometimes break that. Sometimes there could be observers. Generally they aren't observers. But you just never know if are they going to be observers or not. So I'll just dig up bust the hole in there. Now that's TNT. That's the TNT that kills you. That's the TNT. That's the reason you're watching this video. So bust all the TNT. I'll just place a rod there to give some light. That one. Now it's safe. Oh. Where did I come from? Where have I come from? Oh, it's. Yeah, I think it's from here. Nope. No. Oh no. Oh, why am I so dumb? That's the place. That's the place where I'm supposed to go. What? So we'll just take a scaffolding. Like you can even take scaffolding if you're in survival and you need to do the event. Like the special thing is you just need to tap on one thing and it automatically extends on its own. So you don't need to go higher to place one block and go higher to place. And the third is you can go through it and up. So that's also one thing. I just made it super tall. Just be careful not to accidentally break it or this will happen. And if you're bringing any and I also recommend this if you're building some scaffolding structure. So now we'll check if it's safe now. I'll break the block. Pressure plate does nothing. So that's it. Please like. I'll just collect this iron. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.